Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we're looking at how to create estimates on Intuit's QuickBooks online account. So let's say you want to create estimate for your company. How do you do it? This is a customer you want to create an estimate for. How do you do it? It's quite simple. From here, you simply click on the search icon here and type in estimates. The easiest way, then you can see create estimates, then click on create estimates, and to open up the page where you can now create your estimates. So the customer name put here, the email address, you can decide to send later, you can decide to keep it pending, the billing address to be filled in here, estimate date, expiration date, estimate number, tag, and then the service date here. Fill each of the description of the product or service, everything. Once you're through with everything, you can add more lines, clear lines, and add subtotal if you want. And once you're through, the total will appear here, estimated total will appear here. Then you can also type in message that you want to display on your estimate. Well, you can type in a message that you want to display on your statement. Then you want to add attachments here also to add some files, but it must not be more than 20 megabytes. And once you choose everything, you can choose save. Now save alone means to let's save it, but if you choose save and send, you save it and you send it at the same time to the customer. Then if you choose save and new, you save it and create a new estimate. That if you have more than one estimate to create. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to choose the one that you prefer. And if you want to customize, you can click on customize here and use this is a standard one. You can try to use new style, you can try to edit the current style, then you can print or preview it here. You can print it now or preview it now or print later, it depends on you. So if you click on this arrow here to show you the recent estimates you've made before. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.